Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Legends of Titans crashing, not loading, or black screen issue on Android.
Fix 1. Restart your phone Step 1. Hold power button Step 2. Tap Restart Step 3. Open the game again Fix 2. Check internet connection Step 1. Switch between Wi, Fi and mobile data Step 2. Turn off VPN. If enabled, Step 3. Relaunch the game. Fix 3. Clear game cache Step 1. Settings, Apps, Legends of Titans Step 2. Storage Step 3. Tap Clear Cache. Fix 4. Update the game Step 1. Open Google Play Store Step 2. Search Legends of Titans Step 3. Tap Update. Fix 5. Update Android System Step 1. Settings, Software Update Step 2. Download and install Update Step 3. Restart phone Fix 6. Check storage space Step 1. Settings, Storage Step 2. Free at least 223 GB space Step 3. Try launching the game.